Welcome back to Spy Garage.
An impressive debut into the ultra-luxury recreational vehicle market, the 2026 Audi VIP motorhome is set to establish German ultra-luxury VIP excellence. This speculative concept would surely bring Audi's well-known Vorsprung durch Technik, progress via technology, and elegant design to a mobile home, providing an unmatched experience of performance, innovation, and refinement while driving. The 2026 Audi VIP motorhome would have a subtle yet impressive appearance from the outside. It would probably have a sleek, minimalist look, with clean lines, perfectly molded surfaces, and Audi's iconic single-frame grille, perhaps lit, eschewing the frequently showy designs of other luxury RVs. Superior illumination and a unique visual signature would be provided by advanced LED lighting, such as Matrix LED technology. To maximize performance and efficiency, the body would be made of sturdy yet lightweight materials, possibly including high-strength steel and aluminum alloys. Even at highway speeds, aerodynamic efficiency would be carefully taken into account, resulting in a surprisingly quiet ride and fuel economy. Huge, panoramic windows that might have electrochromatic dimming would provide seclusion and sweeping views. Entering the Audi VIP motorhome for 2026 would be like entering a world of custom luxury and cutting-edge technology. The interior design would showcase Audi's dedication to superior ergonomics and fine craftsmanship. Premium materials like soft bridge of leather, real open-pore wood veneers, brushed aluminum, and delicate carbon fiber accents would be used to painstakingly polish every surface. Because of the layout's great degree of customization, VIP inhabitants could set up areas to suit their own requirements, be it lavish entertainment, high-stakes business meetings, or luxurious leisure. A luxurious master bedroom with a king-sized bed, a spa-like bathroom with designer fixtures and smart shower systems, and a cutting-edge gourmet kitchen with integrated, high-end equipment are just a few of the features. Integration of technology would be crucial. For a motorhome use, the Audi Virtual Cockpit would probably be redesigned to provide extensive vehicle and environmental data on clear, high-resolution screens. Navigation, entertainment, climate control, and other car functions might all be easily controlled by an improved MMI touch response infotainment system, which might also include cutting-edge AI assistance for simple voice queries. With integrated 5G capability, high-speed satellite internet, and sophisticated teleconferencing tools for productivity while on the go, connectivity would be unmatched. With features like advanced adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic parking aid designed for larger vehicles, comprehensive driver assistance systems, which draw from Audi's autonomous driving research, would improve safety and lessen driver fatigue. A strong and incredibly economical powertrain, possibly a mild hybrid V6 or V8 TDI, known for its quiet operation and seamless torque delivery, should power this mobile haven. The adjustable air suspension technology would absorb road imperfections with ease and guarantee a consistently controlled and smooth ride. A true representation of VIP excellence on wheels, the 2026 Audi VIP motorhome would be more than just a means of transportation. It would be a declaration of the highest level of luxury, technical innovation, and unwavering German engineering.